Hey, welcome to Math from Inside, where we make mathematics easy, understandable for you. Today, we'll try to solve the integral of z plus 1 divided by the cube root of z squared plus 2z plus 2. Now, if you take that integral equal to a, we will have a equal to what? Equal to the integral of z plus 1 times z square plus 2z plus 2 to the power negative 1/3 dz. When we bring this this denominator up to the numerator, that's the power we will get, negative 1/3. Now, what do we do next? Let's take fz. Let's take fz equal to z square plus 2z plus 2. Now we just want to put fz in a way that we'll be able to identify some stuff, to have some kind of intuition on how we could solve this integral. So we can see that fz could also be equal to what? To z square plus 2z plus 1 and plus 1. We just, all that we are doing here is like 2 is equal to 1 plus 1, and we just split it. But we know that this is what? Is z plus 1 square. Now, with that being said, we can go and replace fz in a. So we have a then equal to z plus 1 and z times z plus 1 square plus 1 and to the power negative 1/3 dz. Now, with that being said, I would say let's take t. So I'm taking an auxiliary variable equal to z plus 1. So t equal to z plus 1, we will have also dt equal to dz. So what will a equal to? A will be equal to integral of t times t square plus 1 to the power negative 1/3 dt. Now, this is where now we can easily find something. So my question would be, is like, what is the derivative of this function? What's the derivative of t squared plus 1? Or better yet, what I can do here is actually to take again to just again use my fz here, but that would be ft. I can say ft is equal to t squared plus 1. What will be f prime of t? F prime of t will be equal to 2t. That will be equal to 2t. So it means that we can write this expression as t, f prime of t is equal to 2t. It means that t will be f prime of t divided by 2. So that will be half f prime of t times what? Times f of t to the power negative 1/3 dt. Now we know that the integral of such functions, so if you have a function like that, that's a parenthesis. If you have the integral of u prime, maybe, and u to the power n, that will be equal to what? That will be equal to 1 divided by n plus 1 u to the power n plus 1. And that's what we use here. So with that being said, we'll have one divided by 2 times 1 divided by n plus 1 here will give us 2/3. So we have 3 divided by 2 f of t to the power 2/3. That's what we get. So what? So let us make it clean. So that will be equal to what? 3/4. And what is f of t? F of t is t squared plus 1. So we have t squared plus 1 to the power 2/3. But what is t? T was z plus 1. So we have finally 3/4 z z plus 1 square plus 1 to the power 2/3. There you go. And that's how we solve the this integral. We can, another way to write this thing will be to say we have 3 to the power 3/4, and we know that z plus 1 square to the square plus 1 is actually equal to this function from the beginning, this one. So we can write it this way. We can say that that will be equal to the cubic root of z square plus 2z plus 2 square. And that's how you solve the problem. If you have another way to solve this, let us know. Until then, see you.